Today we will see class 12 Geography Unit 5 Chapter 12 Geographical Perspective on Selected Issues and Problems. Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution results from the release of substance and energy from waste products of human activities. There are many types of pollution. They are classified on the basis of medium through which pollutants are transported and diffused. Pollution can be classified into air pollution, water pollution, 3 land pollution and 4 noise pollution. Water pollution. The indiscriminate use of water by increasing population and industrial expansion has led degradation of the quality of water considerably. Surface water available from rivers, canals, lakes, etc. is never pure. It contains small quantities of suspended particles, organic and inorganic substances. When these substances increases, the water becomes polluted and hence becomes unfit for use. In such a situation, the self-purifying capacity of water is unable to purify the water. Though water pollutants are also created from natural resources (erosions, landslides, decay and decompositions of plants and animals, etc.). Pollutants from human sources are the real cause of concern. Human beings pollute the water through the industrial, agricultural and cultural activities. Among these activities, industry is the most significant contributor. Figure 12.1 Cutting through the effluent, rowing through a pervasive layer of the foam on the heavily polluted Yamuna on the outskirts of New Delhi. Table 12.1 Types and sources of pollution. Pollution types, pollution involved, sources of pollution. Air pollution. Oxides of sulfur, SO2, SO3, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, ammonia, lead, aldehydes, azotes and beryllium. Composition of coal, petrol and diesel, industrial processes, solid waste disposal, sewage disposal, etc. Water pollution. Odor, dissolved and suspended solids, ammonia and urea, nitrate and nitrites, chlorides, fluorides, carbonates, oil and grease, insecticides and pesticides residue, tannin, coliform MBM bacterial count, sulfates and sulfides, heavy metals, example lead, arsenic, mercury, manganese, etc. Radioactive substance. Sewage disposal, urban runoff, toxic effluents from industries, runoff over cultivated lands and nuclear power plants. Land pollution. Human and animal excreta viruses and bacteria, garbage and vectors, therein, pesticides and fertilizers residue, alkaline, fluorides and radioactive substance. Improper human activities, disposal of untreated industrial wastes, uses of pesticides and fertilizer. Noise pollution. High level of noise above the tolerance level, aircrafts, automobiles, trains, and industrial processing and advertising media. Industries produce several undesirable products including industrial wastes, polluted water waste, wastewater, poisonous gases, chemical residuals, numerous heavy metals, dust, smoke, etc. Most of the industrial wastes are disposed of in running water or lakes. Consequently, poisonous elements reach the reservoirs, rivers, and other water bodies, which destroy the biosystem of these waters. Major water polluting industries are leather, pulp and paper, textiles, and chemicals. Various types of chemicals used in modern agriculture such as inorganic fertilizer, pesticides and herbicides are also the pollution generating components. These chemicals are washed down to rivers, lakes and tanks. These chemicals also infiltrate the soil to reach the groundwater. Fertilizer induces an increase in nitrate content of surface waters. Cultural activities such as pilgrimage, religious fairs, tourism, etc. also cause the water pollution. In India, almost all surface water sources are contaminated and unfit for human consumption. Water pollution is a source of various waterborne diseases. The disease commonly caused due to the contaminated water or diarrhea, intestinal worms, hepatitis, etc. World Health Organization shows that about 1/4 of the communicable diseases in India are waterborne. Here, table 12.1 sources of pollution in Ganga and Yamuna rivers. River and state polluted structures, nature of pollution, main polluters. Ganga in bracket Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. A. Downstream of Kanpur. B. Downstream of Varanasi. C. Farakka barrage. 1. Industrial pollution from the towns like Kanpur. Domestic wastes from the urban centers. 3. Dumping of carcasses in the river. Cities of Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna and Kolkata release the domestic wastes into the river. Yamuna bracket Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. A. Delhi to confluence with the Champal. B. Madura and Agra. 1. Extraction of water by Haryana and Uttar Pradesh for irrigation. 2. Agricultural runoff resulting in high levels of micropollutants in the Yamuna. 3. Domestic and industrial waste of Delhi flowing into the river. Delhi dumping in domestic waste. Air pollution. Air pollution is taken as an addition of contaminants like dust, fumes, gas, fog, odor, smoke or vapor to the air in substantial proportions and duration that may be harmful to flora and fauna and to property. With increasing use of varieties of fuels as a source of energy, there is a marked increase in emission of toxic gases into the atmosphere, resulting in the pollution of air. Combustion of fuels, fossil fuels, mining and industries are the main sources of air pollution. These processes release oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxides, lead and asbestos. Air pollution causes various diseases related to respiratory, nervous and circulatory system. Smoky fog over the cities called the urban smog is caused by the atmospheric pollution. It proves very harmful to human health. Air pollution can also cause acid rains. Rainwater analysis of the urban environment has indicated that pH value of the first rain after summer is always lower than the subsequent rains. Here they given the pictures of smog in Mumbai. Greens list top 10 pollution sites. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.